Once upon a fantasy, every fairy tale has a delicate princess dressing up for her crush. But our modern princesses aren't so weak, they are a lot more tough. Fairy tales have been with us for so long. It's hard to argue their appeal, having never really left us. They're stories that have woven themselves into our childhood dreams. Hearts, magic door, happily ever after, always left us for dreaming for more. When a fantasy is a mood, a journey, a feeling, wherein you decide on an adventure of endless possibility. Your own Princess Charming, the queen, the kite in the shining armor, main character of your own fairy tale. This Typsytale is for modern, independent princess who add a little magic to every day they live. Come, let's experience this dreamy, whimsical collection and get transported to Typsyland. Because food on the world. The revolutionary 3D technology gives it a unique rose design that doesn't lose its shape even after multiple uses. A delicate buildable cream to powder blush formula that blends into the skin easily. The product can be applied using your fingers for a natural look. This formula is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free and paraben-free. India's first 3D makeup product. Product name is Enchanted Garden Rose Blush. It has 5 shades: Princess Charming, Poison Apple, Bleeding Heart, Delicate Desire, and Coral Kiss. It's formulated with carnauba and vitamin E, provide a smooth, easy to blend application and natural finish. Cream formula melts into the skin for a natural pop of color. Buildable formula for versatile look. Hope you guys like this video. Share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Bye bye.